trying to be romantic, I hit it from the back, just you don't get it.